My grandfather came over from Italy. My dad was born in Canada, and he went to, I think it was Fernie in British Columbia. And when the 1906 earthquake hit, they were able to come down, and my grandfather was a laborer. He worked for Marin Municipal Water District and put in a lot of the water lines in Marin. And then my dad got into the plumbing end of it, and he was an apprentice in San Francisco for, my dad's first shop was at 21 Broadway in Fairfax, California, and we lived upstairs, and I was just born then. It was a one-man shop. My dad did the labor. He was a laborer, a plumber, sheet metal man, heating man. He did the whole thing. They moved into the shop in San Anselmo in 1939. Then, like I say, then they moved to Marin, and that's where our shop has been, and it's still down there to this day. My older brother Don and me went through the plumbing apprentice school, and my younger brother Rich went through sheet metal and heating school, and we got our apprenticeship done and got our journeymanship, all three of us, and then we all three worked together. Rich was in charge of the sheet metal and heating, and I was in charge of the plumbing, and Don was like the office manager.